Alright guys, John Chicken Ship Farms. Today we've got the Charles Daly. This is the model 601 that I picked up from Bud's Gun Shop. This was $336 on sale. I picked this gun up for my wife, and of course immediately my son and daughter claimed it, but it's still her gun. We added a sling to it, and we're going to try out some bird shot today, see how it goes, and just check and see if this thing's broke in and ready for the woods. No problems with those at all, guys. I'll show you what I was shooting. Guys, that first box we were using was a Fiocchi. This is 2 3/4, 1 ounce, 1245 feet per second. This is 7.5 shot. Now we're going to load it up with a little bit of Winchester. This is the 2 3/4 is 1220 feet per second. It's a 1 ounce, number 6 shot. All right, guys, we got it loaded up with the Winchester. This is, like I said, it's the model 601. It's a 4+1. It does come with a tube plug, but we have it out because we don't do any waterfowl hunting where we live. Looks like we got a failure of feed there. Okay guys, if you guys were wondering, when we bought this gun, we locked the bolt back, let it sit for a week, and we're going to try it out. So you've seen how many shots this gun's had through it. We're at a total of 8 now, so we've had one failure of feed there where the shell got hung up a little bit, and we went ahead and cleared that, and everything seems to be fine. We're going to run a few more through it and see if we get any more hang-ups. Alright guys, we loaded the model 601 up with the Winchester, so we're going to try that again. That's the one that gave us a problem. So here we go, 5 more rounds, let's see what happens. Got that one in there a little bit funky. Same thing. That one got in there funky a little bit. Doesn't look like it's pushing the bolt back enough, guys. This gun may need a little more breaking in, or it just may not like these. It just might be too much for it. All right, guys, 601. We went ahead and loaded up the Fiocchi. That doesn't give us any trouble yet. We seem to be having trouble with the Winchester, so we're going to try the Fiocchi. It's a little bit hotter, so we'll see if we have any more issues with that. Same thing. Alright guys, a couple things I noticed real quick. It was hanging up on a little bit there. It's almost the bolt definitely wasn't going all the way back. So I'm thinking it probably needs a little bit more break in than what it's got. So what we're probably going to do is leave the bolt lock back again for another week. Bring it back out and see if that cleans it up. It may, because I said we shoot a lot of bird shot and stuff like that, so we want this to be able to handle it. So that's what we're going to do, and then we'll bring it back next week, let you guys see it, see if we've cleaned up those problems, and if we have, we think we got a nice little shotgun.